2014 Ford Escape Titanium with the EcoBoost Turbo 2.0 four-wheel drive. Putting this hitch on right now.
4 bolts. Prep these up real quick. Insert the bolt stop. Kink's made. And leave that in the kink. And voila.
Dude, that is so cool. I love that.
That's sick. That's awesome. All right, let's give that a shot. All right, got it. Spacer.
You want something?
Got it.
Nice.
Yes. Yes. Dude, that deserves a victory dab right there. Closest to the back, we could put it right through there. But this one I'm gonna have to fish as I'm going up. Oh, this is gonna be a little tricky. Beautiful. Should be able to rest it on there.
Boom.
Yes. All right, that one's back through. I just gotta play with this one. All right, got the washer on the fish. Insert washer. Slowly take this off. This is a really tough one. All right, now that I got that off, bolt. Started. Got it. All right, the bolt is threaded. She ain't going nowhere. 2014 Ford Escape Titanium all-wheel drive 2.0 turbo EcoBoost. Got the trailer hitch on and installed. 4 bolts. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the plug-and-play harness, which was made by Reese. You take off these 2 caps here, and you see it exposes 2 8mm bolts. You're gonna want to remove those bolts, and then we'll be able to plug this harness in right behind it. Once the taillight's been removed, go ahead and take off these 8mm bolts. You're going to take off this decorative panel. That's just not going to come off completely. It's going to allow you to fish the wire harness down through the bottom. I guess that helps. Plug in the T connector with the yellow wire in between the mating plugs on the driver's side. The yellow wire in between on the driver's side.
The hardest part of the job is
the plastic connectors. Yeah, don't let that blue thing fall in there. Hang on. Gonna get bound up. Come back down.
Just keys and escapes.
A fuse. This is, I think, just like a diode, so the turn signals don't blink fast. Tap the power off the cigarette lighter. Not recommended. We're gonna go off the blue with the red stripe. Has constant 12 volts, even with the vehicle off. I'm trying to get down back out into the car. So my theory is there's got to be a gasket under one of these.
I'll look underneath the car and see if there's anything that we could take out. All right, dude, I already see a gasket down here that we could take out.
All right, cool. Oh, much better, dude. Oh, dude, you weren't kidding. Right there. Yeah, dude. Good looking.
Nah, dude, it's all right. And here's my ground too. I want to show that off.
That's fine. And they wanted me to use butt connectors. What kind of amateur does that? I gotta get under there and solder that. No. Oh, got this right here. Bring it over here. Will that give me more play? Yeah.
What time are you going though? You said like 11.
I'm gonna try and leave by 11 because it's an hour for me.